What to do if you're struggling with housing or rent. If you've ever felt like your rent keeps going up, but your income stays the same, or you've worried about losing your home, not being able to afford repairs, or finding a safer, more accessible place to live, you are not alone. In fact, millions of older adults in the US are facing the same challenges. And it's not a personal failure. There are resources that can help. So if housing stress is keeping you up at night, here are some steps you can take to protect your stability. Number 1, you're not alone, and you're not invisible. First things first, struggling with housing or rent doesn't make you weak, lazy, or irresponsible. The truth is, housing costs have skyrocketed in many areas, and for folks on a fixed income like Social Security or retirement savings, it just doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Add on things like medical bills, unexpected home repairs, or rising utility costs, and it can feel overwhelming. But you deserve safe, stable housing, and there's no shame in asking for help to make that happen. Number 2, talk to someone as early as possible. If you're falling behind on rent, facing eviction, or feel like you might not be able to afford your current living situation for much longer, the earlier you reach out, the better. Talk to a trusted family member, friend, social worker, or care coordinator. Many Medicare programs, like the APCM model, include care teams who are trained to help with these kinds of challenges. They can point you to housing counselors, emergency assistance, or programs that help older adults stay in their homes longer. You don't have to figure it out alone. Number 3, know your rights as a tenant. If you rent, it's important to understand your rights. For example, in many places, landlords can't evict you without proper notice or a legal process. If your building has serious repair issues like no heat, leaks, or unsafe stairs, you may have the right to demand repairs or withhold rent legally until it's fixed. Local legal aid groups often offer free help to seniors facing eviction, landlord disputes, or housing discrimination. You can also contact your local area agency on aging. They're a great place to start when you're not sure where to turn. Number 4, explore programs that can help cover costs. There are real programs out there that do help. Section 8 housing vouchers can help reduce how much of your income goes toward rent. Senior-specific affordable housing units are often available through local housing authorities or nonprofit organizations. LIHEAP, the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, can help pay for heating or cooling bills. Emergency rental assistance funds may be available in your city or county. Every area is different, so it's worth calling a local housing hotline 211 or your care team to get personalized help. Number 5, consider downsizing or modifying your home. If your current home has become too expensive or hard to maintain, you might consider downsizing to a smaller, more affordable place, or modifying your existing home to make it more accessible and cost-efficient. There are grant programs that help pay for ramps, walk-in tubs, stair rails, or other safety upgrades, especially for older adults with limited mobility. Sometimes, just a few changes can help you stay independent and safe in the place that you already love. Number 6, watch out for scams. Unfortunately, housing scams targeting older adults are on the rise. If someone guarantees you housing for a fee up front, asks you to sign something you don't understand, or pressures you into moving quickly, pause and check it out first. Always get a second opinion and never give personal information like your social security number or bank account to someone you don't know or trust. When in doubt, ask your care team or local senior center to help you review anything that feels off. Number 7, your housing is a health issue and your care team can help. Where you live affects everything: your health, your safety, your ability to get to appointments or prepare meals, and your overall sense of peace. That's why many healthcare providers now treat housing as a core part of your care plan. If you're struggling with rent, repairs, or even feelings of instability, let your doctor or care coordinator know. They may be able to help in ways you didn't expect. If you're feeling stressed or uncertain about housing, take a deep breath. You are not alone, and you're not out of options. Start by talking to someone. Ask for help. You'd be surprised what's possible when you open that door. Support, solutions, and a plan that makes life just a little easier. Safe, stable housing is not a luxury, it's a basic need, and you deserve to have it met.